Hey children, Sai Ram. Welcome to EVS class. Students, I hope you all must have done good in your exam. Yes or no? So today, students, in EVS, we are going to see one more new chapter. So are you all ready? Are you all ready to learn something new in EVS? Yes. See children, we have seen the chapter of festival. We have seen the festival chapter, people who help us chapter, recreation chapter, and I hope you all must have done good in the exam. Yes or no? So today I am going to teach you one more new chapter in EVS. But before starting that chapter, let's see some new words of this chapter. Okay? Now teacher will repeat this new words 3 times. Okay? And what you will do, you will write down all these new words in your activity book. That is your rough book. Okay? How many times you are going to write each word? 3 times. How many times? 3 times. You are going to write each word 3 times. Okay? This will make you practice for your dictation also. Okay? So shall we start? Are you all ready? Okay. Now let's see our first word. Banyan. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan. Next word. Gulmohar. G-U-L-M-O-R-H-A-R. Gulmohar. G-U-L-M-O-R-H-A-R. Gulmohar. G-U-L-M-O-H-A-R. Gulmohar. Sorry, I repeat the word again. G-U-L-M-O-H-A-R. Gulmohar. Okay. Now the next word. Shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. Next word. Hibiscus. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S. Hibiscus. H-I-B-I-C-U-S. Hibiscus. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S. Hibiscus. Next word. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Next word. Coriander. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. Coriander. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. Coriander. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. Coriander. Next word. Mustard. M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Mustard. M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Mustard. M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Mustard. M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Mustard. Next word. Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. Next word. grapevine, 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 grapevine. Next word, glory, 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 glory. Next word, creepers, 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 creepers. Next word, pumpkin, 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 pumpkin. Now kids, we have seen the new words, okay, of this chapter. Okay, now what you will do, you will write down all these new words in your activity book, that is your rough book. Okay, and you will practice all these new words. Okay, you will write down these new words 3 times. Okay, and you will practice these words, so it will be easy for you all for dictation also. Yes or no? At the time of dictation, your words will be ready. Okay, now kids, have you seen all the new words? In this new words, there were the name of some trees, herbs, shrubs. Okay, yes or no? Some flower plant name also there, some creepers name was also there. Now you must be thinking, what is the chapter today? So today we are going to study something about plants. Okay, so are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay, now today's chapter is chapter number 14, plants around us. Which is the chapter? Chapter number 14, plants around us. Now kids, in this chapter we are going to see different types of plants. Okay, and their use. Okay, so are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay, now there are many plants and trees around us. We see plants and trees in the parks, gardens, along the side of roads. We see many plants around us. Some are big, some are small. Now kids, we see many trees and plants around us. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. And mostly where we see the plants in the garden. We see the trees, big trees in the garden, parks, and along the roadsides. Yes or no? And plants give us what they give us? They give us fresh air. Yes or no? They protect us when suppose if we are feeling suppose there is a lot of sun rays and we are walking by the side of road. If there are trees by the side of road, they give us shade also. Yes or no? See, now we see many trees and many plants around us, but they all are having same size? No. Some plants are big, some plants are small, some trees are big, some trees are small. Yes or no? So based on this, today we are going to see some plants around us. Okay, and we are going to see some different types of plants. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, now types of plants. Now what are these types of plants? Do you know what is types of plants? There are different types of plants. Okay, let's see what are this. We'll see the first type. What it is? Trees. trees. Okay. Second, shrubs. Next, herbs. Climbers. Creepers. See, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. These are the types of plant. What are the types of plant? Trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. These are the types of plants. Now we will discuss what these types of plants in detail. Okay, we just came to know what are the types of plants. Okay, now we will study these types of plants in detail. Okay, so first we will start with trees. Okay, now tall and strong plants are called trees. Trees live for many years. Some common trees are banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree, coconut tree, gulmohar tree. Okay, now see kids, what are trees? Big and strong plant, tall and strong plant are called trees. Trees live for many years. Yes or no? Big and tall and strong plant. See, banyan tree, mango tree, coconut tree, gulmohar tree, neem tree, these are all strong plants. Yes or no? Even after a wind came, even after a storm came, then too that plants are standing on their place. Yes or no? Why? Because they are strong and they are tall. This type of plants are called trees. Some common trees are banyan tree, neem tree, mango tree, coconut tree and gulmohar tree. And trees live for many years. Yes or no? I will show you the pictures of these trees. First we will see, this is banyan tree. Okay, these type of trees are mostly nowadays seen in village. Second tree, mango tree. You must have seen mango tree. Yes or no? With full of mangoes on it. Next, neem tree. This is a neem tree. Next, coconut tree. Yes or no? We have seen coconut tree also. Next, gulmohar tree. Okay, these are the trees. Now we'll see some herbs. First we will see some shrubs. Okay, small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. Cotton, hibiscus, rose plants are examples of shrubs. See, we have seen trees. Trees are having tall and strong. Yes or no? Trees are tall and strong. They are called trees. Now what are shrubs? Small plant with woody stem. Small plant with woody stem are called shrubs. Okay? You must have seen the plant of you must have seen rose plant. Yes or no? In your garden or in your balcony, your mother or your father must have planted that plant. Yes or no? So I will show you some shrubs. See, it is a cotton. It is a cotton plant. These plants are having woody stem, but they are not tall. They are small. Okay, they are small plants. Then hibiscus. And what hibiscus is called? It is called jaswanda. Okay, hibiscus. Then rose plant. Okay, these are the examples of shrubs. Now what are shrubs? Small plants with woody stem. Okay, these are called shrubs. Now we'll see herbs. Okay, small plant with soft stem are called herbs. Some examples of herbs are spinach, grass, coriander and mustard plant. See, in the first part, first type of plant was tree. In the trees are tall and having strong woody stem. Yes or no? And they are very tall. Now shrubs, they are small plant with woody stem. But in herbs, what it is? Small plant with soft stem. That stem can be broken easily. Yes or no? When we bring spinach means palak. When we bring palak at home, we can easily cut palak. Yes or no? Grass you all must be knowing. Coriander. Yes or no? Coriander means dhania. Kothimbir. Okay, so we can cut the coriander easily. Yes. Mustard plant means it is a plant of rai. Mama is using for giving tadka. Rai. Yes or no? So these plants are having soft stem, and a plant with soft stems are called herbs. We'll see the pictures of this herbs. See, palak, grass, coriander and mustard plant. Okay, now we'll see some climbers. Okay, see kids, we have seen tall trees, shrubs, herbs. Okay, now we'll see climbers. What are climbers? Small plants with weak stem are called climbers. They can't stand straight and need support to grow. Grapevine, morning glory and bluebell are examples of climbers. Okay, now what are climbers? Small plant with weak stem are called climbers. They cannot stand straight. They need a support to grow. And the examples of climbers are grapevine, morning glory, bluebell are the examples of climbers. See, climbers are the plants that plants need support to grow. They can't stand by their own. They need support to grow. Okay, they are having very weak stem. Their stem is weaker than herbs also. At least herbs they can stand. When they grow they can stand. But climbers cannot stand. They need a support to grow. And what are climbers? Let's see. See, grapevine. Grapevine need support. Yes or no? Then morning glory. It is a flower plant. It is also need support to grow. Bluebell. This flower plant also need a support to grow. They cannot grow without a support. Okay, such types of plants are called climbers. Okay, now next, creepers. Now creepers, plants which have weak stem and grow along the ground. See, same like climbers, creepers are also having weak stem, but creepers are growing along the ground. They are growing along the ground are called creepers. Pumpkin and watermelon are examples of creepers. See, have you seen pumpkin? It is such a big pumpkin. It cannot grow on the tree. Yes or no? Even watermelon is also big. It cannot grow on the tree. So such type of plants are called creepers. They grow along the ground. Okay, they are having big fruits. Okay, but such type of plants grow along the ground. See, watermelon. See, they grow along the ground. Next, pumpkin. See, can you see the pumpkin? Pumpkin creeper. They grow along the ground. Yes. Now, see kids, we have seen trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. These are the types of plants. Now, other than this, what is the use of plant? Let's see. See, plants need water, air and sunlight to grow. Plants help to keep the air clean and give us vegetables and fruits. We use wood from trees to make furniture. Plants and trees are also used to make medicines, paper and cloths. Plants are useful to us in many ways. See, for growing a plant, the plant needs sunlight, air and water. Yes or no? How we all need food to eat? In the same way, they need sunlight, air and water to grow. Okay? Whenever we plant a tree or whenever we plant a plant, small plant, it grows. For growing it, what we need? We water that plant. Yes or no? We should keep that plant in the air near the sunlight to grow. If we'll keep that plant in the dark room, that plant will grow? No. And even plant keep the air clean. Plants give us vegetables and fruits. Yes or no? We use woods from the trees. We get woods from the trees. Yes or no? And we make furniture. Even plants are used for making some medicines. The pulp of the wood is used for making papers. Okay? And even cloths. We get cotton from plant and that cotton is used for making cloths. Plants are useful to us in many ways. Okay kids? I hope you all must have understood this simple chapter. Now based on this, we will do a small activity. Okay? And what you will do? You will copy down this activity in your EVS notebook. That is, answer the following. Okay kids? Shall we start? The first question. What are trees? What are trees? Just now teacher explained you. Okay, I will show you the answer. Answer is tall and strong plants are called trees. What are trees? Tall and strong plants are called trees. Next question. What are shrubs? What are shrubs? And the answer is shrubs are small plant with woody stems. Shrubs are small plants with woody stems. Okay? Now we'll see the next question. What are herbs? Give 2 examples of herbs. What are herbs? Give 2 examples of herbs. And the answer is plants with soft stems are called herbs. Spinach and coriander are the examples of herbs. Okay? What are herbs? And give 2 examples of herbs. What you will write the answer? Plants with soft stem are called herbs. Spinach and coriander are the examples of herbs. Okay? Next question. What are climbers? What are climbers? And the answer is climbers are small plant with weak stem that need support to stay up. See, climbers, they are small plant with weak stem. The stem is very weak and that needs support to stay up. Okay. Now kids, what you will do, this activity question answers you will write in your EVS notebook. Okay. You will write all these 4 question answers in your EVS notebook. On the top you will write the chapter name and then you will copy down all these 4 question answers. Okay kids, and you will practice this question answers also and you go through the lesson also. Okay kids, and by heart this question answers. We will see new chapter in the next period. Till then, keep on practicing this chapter. I hope you must have enjoyed the session. Thank you.